Let's be real. Your clients expect self-service, your team craves efficiency, and you? Well, you're stuck managing policies using outdated tech that does nothing but slow you down. If you use CSR24 in your independent insurance agency, then you've probably dealt with low adoption, frustrating logins, and manual service work that never seems to end. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. That's why when it comes to building and managing a client experience, the top agencies all across the country are switching from CSR24 over to GloveBox for a seamless self-service operation that's going to help agencies reduce their service burden and maintain a higher client satisfaction rate. Let's break it all down. In today's world, convenience is everything. Your clients don't want to call you for basic policy requests. They want access to their policies, ID cards, and payments without the hassle. And your team? Well, they don't want to spend their time chasing down every document or answering the same repetitive questions that they get every single day. This is where a client experience platform comes in. This is where GloveBox comes in. Now, CSR24? It was built to be an add-on for Applied Epic. It was never designed to be a full client experience platform, and that's exactly why agents are running into roadblocks. GloveBox was designed from the ground up to be a true client experience platform, making life easier for both agencies and their clients. So today we're going to do a deep dive into the differences between GloveBox and CSR24 and why the top agencies across the country are making the switch. Let's address the biggest elephant in the room and talk about the biggest frustration that we hear from agents who make the switch to GloveBox from CSR24. And that's that nobody uses it. And here's why. With CSR24, every single client has to be manually onboarded. Your team has to create accounts one by one, email clients their login info, and handle forgotten passwords over and over and over again. Now let's be honest, how often do customers actually remember their login credentials? Studies show that 51% of customers have to reset their password every time they log in. Now I want to paint a hypothetical situation for you. Let's say one of your customers who's on CSR24 needs to log in to view some of their policy documents, but they don't remember their password. Now they have to email you or call you or chase you down and ask you to manually reset the password and credentials and send them back to them. This defeats the entire purpose. Instead of spending time on high-value tasks, your team is now spending their time and hours sending credentials over to your existing clients. GloveBox eliminates all that frustration. There's no passwords, there's no manual setup, and there's no roadblocks to getting started. Every customer already has an account as soon as the policy is written. They can log in using their phone number or email, and there's no setup required. And the best part? Agencies don't have to lift a finger. Automated email and SMS invites drive adoption on autopilot. That's why agencies using GloveBox see massive client engagement without the manual work. Now let's talk about the mobile experience, because in 2025, if your platform isn't mobile first, you're already behind. CSR24 technically has an app, but let's be honest, it's bare bones at best. Clients can view their policy details, they can pull up ID cards, and they can submit basic requests. But that's where it ends. There's no bill pay, there's no carrier claims integration, and there's no ability to cross-sell additional coverages. Now let's compare that to GloveBox, a platform built from the ground up for mobile. With GloveBox, your clients can pay their bills directly inside the app. They can start claims without calling your team, and they can manage all of their policies, personal, commercial, or specialty, all in one place. This isn't just about convenience, this is also about perception. In 2025, a modern, seamless mobile experience is going to be what makes your agency remain competitive. This isn't just something that clients expect, this is something that they require. CSR24 relies on Applied Epic to send over policy data. But what happens when your AMS data is outdated? You end up with delays in policy updates, inconsistent data across systems, and extra work for your staff to keep everything in sync. GloveBox eliminates this issue by pulling policy data directly from carriers. That means real-time policy updates straight from the source, seamless document syncing, and no more tracking down files. All policy types are supported for both personal and commercial and specialty. Let's be real, technology should do more than just reduce a few phone calls. It should play an active role in helping you grow your independent agency. The best case scenario with CSR24 is maybe you'll see a few less extra calls. But with GloveBox, agencies are seeing more cross-sell opportunities since clients can request additional coverages right inside the platform. They're seeing more referrals thanks to our built-in sharing tools, and they're seeing more time for high-value tasks because CSRs aren't stuck handling logins or the basic policy requests. Take True Summit Insurance, for example. After switching to GloveBox, they doubled their CSR team's efficiency, managing $25 million in premium with just 4 CSRs.
Each CSR is handling over 2 times the amount of premium that you typically see. I relate that directly to GloveBox.
Or take Finland Insurance, for example. They saw immediate improvements in client satisfaction after implementing GloveBox. Clients love the self-service options, and their team spent less time chasing down carrier documents.
I will say our CSAs are handling bigger books than they were when we rolled it out. And I think that having that freed up time is probably making that an easier transition than it would have been.
CSR24 was a solid tool years ago, but today's modern agency requires more. So if you want higher client adoption with zero friction, a mobile experience built for 2025 and beyond, seamless carrier integrations for real-time updates, and a platform that actually helps you grow your business, then it's time to upgrade to GloveBox. You want to see GloveBox in action? Then schedule your demo today and see how GloveBox can help you transform your agency. The future of insurance is now. Are you ready?